Okay, so now I have to teach you how to chew. Not just corn, but like just chew. As my son. Yeah, so if you wanna know how to chew, just any food, anything, just chewing. I am gonna show you right now with bread. You close your mouth. Done. You're just chewing like you just, but don't do this. Nah, or this. It's not pretty. It's not beautiful to see. You have to like chew, especially ladies. Y'all have to chew like me. Like you have to chew like a lady, and do not talk with your food in your mouth, because that is just rude and gross. But since I'm teaching you, so you chew like me. Chew like you're thinking, or you want to taste what you're eating. You want to feel it. You want to know how it is. Like you want to like know it. Like taste everything. The sugar, the salt, everything. That every single bit of detail there is to know about what you're eating. Make sure you chew like that. And that's how to chew. I'll show you one last time. If you're sitting with someone, have a little smile. I'm sure they'd be charmed. But try not to smile a lot like me, because I'm just looking at my reflection and it's so pretty. So that's why I'm smiling. And then voila, done. So yeah, please tell me what you think below and subscribe for more. Mwah.